Maximizing brand impact with influencer marketing. Maximizing brand impact with influencer marketing. In today's digital age, social media has become an integral part of our everyday lives. It is a platform for communication, entertainment, information, and also for brands to promote their products and services. With millions of users on social media, brands have a massive opportunity to reach their target audience and increase their brand impact. One of the most effective ways to do this is influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is a type of marketing that uses influential people, influencers, on social media to endorse a brand's products or services. This type of marketing has become increasingly popular over the years, as it provides a more authentic and personal approach to promoting a brand. Below are some ways on how to maximize brand impact with influencer marketing. 1. Define your objectives. The first step in maximizing your brand's impact with influencer marketing is to define your objectives. What is it that you want to achieve through influencer marketing? Do you want to increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, or increase sales? Defining your objectives will allow you to identify the right influencers that align with your goals and target audience. 2. Identify the right influencers. Once you have defined your objectives, the next step is to identify the right influencers. The right influencers are those who have a significant following in your niche, are relevant to your brand, and have engagement levels that align with your objectives. There are different types of influencers, from micro-influencers to macro-influencers. Micro-influencers are those with a smaller following, but have higher engagement rates, while macro-influencers have more significant followers but have lower engagement. Depending on your objectives, you may want to work with multiple influencers or St1. 3. Establish relationships with influencers. Building a relationship with the influencer is crucial to the success of your influencer marketing campaign. You want to build trust, credibility, and mutual respect with the influencer. You can do this by engaging with the influencer's content, commenting on their posts, sharing their content, and working collaboratively with them. Before reaching out to the influencer, make sure you have researched their brand, their values, and their audience to show that you have a genuine interest in working with them. 4. Collaborate with influencers. When collaborating with influencers, it is essential to allow them creative freedom. Influencers know their audience best, and they know what type of content resonates with them. Give them guidelines on the type of content you want them to create, but give them the freedom to infuse their personal style into the content. This will result in more authentic content that resonates with their followers and, consequently, with your target audience. 5. Measure your success. Lastly, it is crucial to measure the success of your influencer marketing campaign. You want to know how your campaign performed, what worked, what didn't, and where you can improve. Some key metrics to measure are engagement rates, click-through rates, impressions, and conversions. This data will help you optimize future campaigns and achieve greater success. 6. Use a variety of platforms. While social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok are the most popular for influencer marketing, it is important to consider other platforms as well. Influencers can also create blog posts, YouTube videos, and podcasts that can reach a wider audience. Depending on your objectives and target audience, you may want to explore different platforms to maximize your brand impact. 7. Offer promotions and discounts.